Namaskar. I'm Sonali Sharma, working as an assistant professor at AJK MCRC Jamia Millia Islamia. I welcome you to the module on Basics of Reporting for Print Media. At the end of the module, you will be able to distinguish the various categories of newspaper reporters, discuss the principles to be kept in mind while reporting, categorize the various sources for finding a news story, and evaluate the need and challenges in reporting news ethically. Journalism is more than just reporting events. As a news reporter, you will be communicating with a wide range of readers who are interested in the whole story. So, while reporting news, you need to ensure accuracy, balance, and fairness. You would share one version of the truth. So, it is vital that you appropriately explain the importance and the context of the story for diverse readers, from international to the local. Why does it matter? Why is it relevant to them? The readers want to keep themselves updated with the news and are looking at what is happening around them. Whether it is local, state, national, and international news, it is essential for them to know in case it has a direct or indirect impact on them. As a reporter, you're responsible for finding the story and then writing it up. This lecture shall concentrate on the basics of reporting for print media. Globally, the newspaper industry is declining. The COVID-19 pandemic has also affected the growth and circulation of print media negatively. Till recently, India had been among the few countries where print media had managed to retain its hold. It registered growth in circulation, readership, and sales and emerged as the largest global market for print media with its revenue growth in absolute numbers. In newly independent India, the print media published slightly over 200 dailies. Even with the recent declining growth rate for print media in the country, the absolute number of registered publications has increased consistently and significantly over the last 2 decades. Sandhya Kilri's article, Indian Newspaper Industry Statistics and Facts on Statista website attributes this growth to many factors. There has been a rise in literacy rates. Increasingly, more attention has been given to regional language publications. Indian newspapers are mainly made from recycled newsprint. Also, they are given government subsidies which further reduces their costs. Another important factor is the cultural conditioning in India. Here, we are used to having the newspapers delivered at our doorsteps every single morning. Lately, another reason that has been widely discussed is the credibility of print media. A survey, Fact or Fake, measuring credibility perceptions of news media was conducted by a media consulting firm, Ormax Media, among 2,600 urban news consumers over 15 years of age from across 17 states and union territories of India. The results revealed that almost 62% of the consumers consider print media as the most reliable source of news. This is in comparison to television and digital media. The Sea Water Media Consumption Survey 2020 also has similar findings. These results share the growing concern people are having over fake news and how they find value in and attach higher credibility to news stories that are published in print media. Reporting news. Reporting is the process of collecting relevant information through various means, verifying, and then analyzing it. Reporters may work for a daily or a weekly newspaper. In the case of weekly newspapers, they may get more time to develop a new feature and bring their concept alive by using photographers or even carrying photography equipment to shoot them. In the present scenario, news reporters work in-house and out of house. They are on the streets and cover news events live. Their tools are smartphones, laptops, and other digital devices. Local reporters and wire services circulate the bulk of news. Examples of international wire services include Reuters, Associated Press, Agence France Presse, United Press International. Closer home, we have news agencies like Press Trust of India, Asian News International, and Indo-Asian News in Service. Increasingly, the internet has emerged as a news resource. Reporters, correspondents, and stringers. Traditionally, the newspaper reporters have been categorized as city reporters. Now, beat reporters are usually the ones who cover specific locations such as the courts, hospitals, the parliament, the police department. They maintain daily contact with these places and develop credible resources. Many times, this helps them in finding scoops by being in the right place at the right time. Mastering a new beat as a reporter means you need to plan your beat coverage. Discuss this plan about your topic and territory with your editor. What organizations concern you? What events and issues do you need to cover? Prioritize your work. Identify potential overlaps with other reporters and editors. Consult other reporters who have worked your beat for advice. Be curious. Ask questions and do not be afraid to admit your ignorance. Also, it is essential to learn the jargon, acronyms, and processes associated with the beat. Crime reporting is an important beat in all big and medium daily newspapers. A crime reporter needs to have the ability to identify truth from lies, needs good contacts in the police and other departments, possess the adequate legal knowledge, and above all, observe a code of honor and refrain from sensationalism. Now, the special assignment reporters are sent to cover certain high profile events. These may be a presidential visit or the inaugural function of a new stadium in the city. Moving on to general reporters, they report on everything. In small news operations, all reporters are mostly assigned various kinds of stories. Correspondents are reporters stationed in distant locations. They may be district correspondents who are reporters in the districts. In case the newspaper is not published from the country's capital city, then it may also have national correspondents. Foreign correspondents. They report from important countries abroad. Stringers are freelance journalists. Organizations use them in places where the news flow is not sufficient to justify a permanent staff reporter. Sometimes they are young students and non-professionals covering their universities, colleges, and local communities. Specialized reporting. Some reporters have a niche, developing networks and insights in a particular area over a while. They may develop expertise in specific fields, for example, crime, politics, business and commerce, parliament and legislature, sports, education, health, fashion, or foreign affairs. Development reporting has a significant role in countries like India, which are transitioning from an agrarian economy to a developing market economy. It informs the people of the various government initiatives and how successfully or poorly have they been implemented. As a development reporter, you are required to create awareness around developmental issues. You can choose any program and monitor its progress regularly. Many developmental stories are often presented effectively in the form of in-depth feature articles with photographs. A well-educated and trained news reporter is better geared towards developing his capabilities when it comes to specialized reporting. You have a great advantage if you can leverage and utilize your prior education while reporting. A degree in business, law, political science, economics, or science means that you are already familiar with their vocabulary, abbreviations, and developments. Increasingly, newspapers have also now acknowledged the interest that many readers have in matters related to medicine, science, and technology. In specialized reporting, you need to avoid technical jargon as much as possible and report the news in a simple and intelligible manner with clarity.